Hey guys, Danny Murphy here again. We're here at 16601 South Pacific Avenue in Sunset Beach. We're trying to highlight different aspects of this house. It's such a beautiful oceanfront estate that we're going to break it up into pieces. So we're now on the second level where there's 3 bedrooms plus like an AV room that could be an office or a kid's playroom. This particular bedroom, as you can see, has a fireplace and you've got the closet, but kind of who cares about all that, right? What you'll notice is that every single one of these 3 bedrooms is ocean facing. So again, you know, you've got these amazing views looking south, and then you've got these amazing views looking towards Catalina, which isn't totally clear today, but normally it is. And so, you know, again, your guests, your kids, this is a great office. Whoever's staying here has this view. There's 2 other bedrooms just like this, so we're going to check out one of the 2. But this is the AV area, so you can, you know, again, watch movies, hang out, an office, kids' room. There's also a wet bar. So you've got another dishwasher. There's 5 dishwashers in the house. 1 on the 3rd level, 1 here, and 3 downstairs. It's a wet bar dishwasher. Got the AV set up. There's also an elevator. So the elevator at all 3 levels goes up into one of the walk-in closets on the master level, on the 3rd level. Really a killer bathroom. I love this. This is the like the nautical pirate bathroom. So everything was sourced from a sunken ship from the 1900s. So you can see you can turn on the water like this, and you've got a TV there. This turns on water, does the heat and all that. So really fun bathroom in here. Every kid would love it. And then this is like a 2nd level ensuite master. So you'll see in here you've got an ensuite full bathroom, curbless shower, glass enclosed, dual sinks. It's a really big bathroom, so plenty of room in here, so nice and easy. And then again, all these rooms are big. You'll see the measurements online. You can see all the room measurements and the floor plans. And then what's cool about this room is it's on the other side of the house. So again, no one next to you. On the 2nd level, you have amazing unobstructed views looking towards Palos Verdes, Queen Mary, Spruce Goose, Long Beach, and then again out to Catalina. Just, I mean, come on, it doesn't get any better than this, right? For $6.5 million, this is such a value here in Sunset Beach, again, compared to like Newport, where this would be double, or Corona Mar, or Laguna Beach. You're in Orange County, you're close to Long Beach, so if you want to hop on private jet and do your business, you're there. You're close to all the business hubs here in Orange County and LA for that matter. So in the Irvine, Newport region, you're close to John Wayne Airport. Just a quick drive down PCH. You got awesome amenities, restaurants, entertainment. You know, you've got a great boardwalk behind here. It's not in front of you, which is great, but a great boardwalk behind you that connects up with the Huntington Beach, and then you can take this all the way down to the Wedge on the peninsula in Newport Beach. So you have everything you want. It's such a great value here. The beaches are pristine because of not having tons of parking lots and all that here. There's never a lot of people here. You do have, for parking here though, you have a courtyard in back where you can park 4 cars and then 2 additional cars on the apron. So you always have 6 guaranteed spots basically for your guests and for you here at this house. So we're listed for $6.5 million. We're going to be here today, which is Saturday, from 12 to 4, and we'll be here tomorrow from 1 to 5. We've had a lot of interest in the property. Obviously, it's so beautiful. What's there not to love? So reach out to us anytime with any questions. Thanks.